Hello, this is Dr. Yum. We are going to learn analysis tools. Those are, so as you can see here, I went to the toolbox and system toolbox. If you look at here, you can see here analysis toolbox. If I click this, and then here, extract, overlay, proximity, and statistic. All those, the four are the most important the function in the GIS. So especially if you click the extract, you can see all different types of the extract functions. If you click this, you have many different types of like the extract function here, and then here, and then you're gonna see like there are the several tools under this title. Okay, so we are going to learn those tools during the 2 weeks. Okay, so not everything. I'm going to teach you something really necessary tools. So first of all, the clip. So here, just week 5 PowerPoint here. So I already uploaded here in terms of each functions, what they are. So you can find the tool, so you can see what you need to click, and then it also shows you like the instructions. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate every single step, all of this. So this is kind of like the clicking dictionary. Okay, so you can see it later. Okay, if you lose what to do, you just open the PowerPoint where you can watch my lecture again. But here in terms of like the analysis tool here, those are you are going to learn, right? You are going to learn. Those are the most important tools that you are going to use all the time. Okay. All right. So let's start the clip first. Okay. The clip is this. So you will have the cookie cutter, which is the clip feature, and then you will have the flower doll, which is your input feature. Okay, so let's say you have a layer of the Cuyahoga County census tract, but you only need the census tract within Cleveland. So if you have Cleveland shape, which is a cookie cutter, you can clip the Cuyahoga County census tract, and then you can extract the Cleveland census tract. Okay, that is simple. So if you open the clip toolbox, then you will see here you need to put the input feature, which is the flower doll, and then you are going to put the clip feature, which is dog spawn, which is Cleveland shapes, and then you can save it somewhere. Okay, then you just click OK. That's it. Okay, let's do this. So clip here. So if you open your the MXD that I gave you, so you will see like this. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Before I zoom in, I'm going to show you what kind of thing we have. So first of all, Ohio Census Tract 2016 10-year. Then I opened it. Then you can see here total household, and then owner and renters, and this is a census tract number, which is this is the text field, and this is the numeric field, right? So this is like the what they are, right? So this is like the attribute table. So I really want you to make the habit when you have your layer, you try to open every attribute table like this. So he got employees in state Ohio, some types of job field like this. I don't know exactly what they are, like but it does not matter actually. So this is the Akron City. It doesn't have any information about the county or census tract, whatever, right? But we can still see here like the many like the employees, which is point data, right? So now I'm going to make some kind of like the bookmark here. I'm going to create a bookmark. Ohio, create like this. Then I'm going to zoom in. Then I will say bookmark create. Cuyahoga, click OK. I'm going to zoom in more. Something like this. Then it will be just create Cleveland and click OK. Then I'm going to go back to Ohio again. So now, so you need to zoom in, zoom out again. So you just create a bookmark. So now, I'm going to turn up the Ohio road. So then now I can see here, Ohio Census Tract 2016. Then I can see here the Cuyahoga County and Cleveland, the neighborhood, blah, 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 like this, okay? So first of all, so I'm going to turn off these things. So I'm going to go to bookmark here, Cuyahoga County. I need only this census tract. So if I turn off, so I don't know which is Cuyahoga County, which is not. If I turn on, so now Cuyahoga County is cookie cutter, right? It's cookie cutter. So I'm going to extract the census tract within the Cuyahoga County. Okay, so now what you can do here, you can click clip like this. Okay, also you close it. If you click the geoprocessing here, so we're gonna wait a little bit. Click this, and then you have something like the important analysis tool here, which also we call it, this is geoprocessing. Okay, so you can also click the clip here, which is same thing, right? Same thing. So I am going to use one thing which shows you the geoprocessing visually. Okay, so I'm going to click here. This is the model builder. I click this, then you will see this, the empty model builder screen. So on your PowerPoint, if you scroll down a little bit on the bottom, you can see here model builder screen. Okay, so this is like the I create this section because model builder, it is not the mandatory, but it is really good to know because it shows you how the process what you are doing. Okay, so also you can use these things as a reference when you finish your map, and then you can see what kind of the analysis tool and geoprocessing you have done so far. Okay, so now as you can see here, I already made those kind of stuff, right? So you can follow this kind of instruction later. Okay, so now I'm going to show you again. So same thing, if you do click here manually, I will say this is manually, you can do this like it. You're gonna clip, and I'm going to input feature will be Ohio Census Tract 2016 10-year. Then now clip feature, which will be your cookie cutter, it will be Cuyahoga County, right? Then you are going to save these things to folder and summer data week 5 clip here. Then I will say here, so already I made like the geo database here, Cuyahoga County on the bar, Cuyahoga on the bar, tracks, right? I'm going to save like this. Then if I click, it will extract. Okay, I'm going to click this. We're gonna wait a little bit. So now it's like kind of like I don't know whether or not it's working, so we just need to wait until it shows us some signs. So it looks like it's done, and then new sensors track. I'm going to turn off everything, and then new sensors track shapes came out like this, right? We got 448 sensors tracks here, right? So I'm going to change the color here, red, rose, and I'm going to turn on again Cuyahoga County, right? So now we just extract the Cuyahoga County census tract from Ohio census tract, right? So Ohio census tract has like the 2,952 census tract in state Ohio. Among them, there are arrange table vertical. Then I can see here Cuyahoga County has 448 census tract. Right? So this is how you can do the clip. And then also you can clip. I'm going to turn off, and then I'm going to turn on Ohio roads. Okay? Something like this. Let me see. Let me change the color. It looks better like this. Okay. So now, this is like let me open the Ohio roads. So this is like the C means counties, and right, and we can see I means interstate highway, and M municipality maybe. And I'm going back to all the way down, and let me see, there will be like the state as well here. This is state route, right? So we have many different types of roads, the major roads in the state of Ohio, right? Those kind of thing is classified by those kind of the ID, like the. So at this moment you don't need to know about this, but if you just go to Google and then type it MTFCC on the Google, you will find the information. It stands for like S1200 means blah blah blah. Okay, so anyway, I open the attribute table of our Ohio roads. Then I just need the road within Cuyahoga County. Then we can clip. So at this moment, I'm going to open the model builder. It's like this. Then I'm just clip, and drag to my model builder screen. Okay, you just turn on the model builder screen, and then you just click the tool, and then drag it to your model builder screen. And then if you right click on the clip, then you will see the same box, right? It is the same box. This one, same, right? But why I'm doing this, I'm going to click this. Input feature will be your Ohio roads, right? Your color feature will be Cuyahoga County or Cleveland, whatever you want, right? So I'm going to select the Cuyahoga, this one, and I'm going to save this in here, Ohio road, instead of Cuyahoga, right? I just click, and that's it. Now I'm click OK. So now here, you can see here, Ohio road. So this one is your input. Okay, this is your out. This is your like the cookie cutter, like the clip feature, and then this is a factory, and this is the product, the result, right? So I already named it Cuyahoga roads, right? So right click, you can run, or model, you can run. Okay, but I strongly recommend you run like this. Run. Before you run, you just go the result, right click, and add to display. The meaning of add to display is you are going to present on your screen when you finish the process. Okay, I just click this, add to display, and then click and run. Then now you don't need to wait, it shows you the process. Now here Cuyahoga Road on your screen. So here I'm going to change like the purple. Is that purple? Yeah, I think so. 1.35. So now we got the road within Cuyahoga County. This is how you can use like the clip function. Can we clip the point? Let me show you how to clip. Okay, go to bookmark, Cuyahoga again. So now I only need like the employees within this Cuyahoga County, right? So I'm going to open the model builder again. Then I'm going to click the clip again here and clip to, right click, open. So input feature will be your employees, right? Employees. And your clip feature will be your Cuyahoga County, right? Then I'm going to save this thing in here, employees, on the bar in Cuyahoga, right? The feature class, because it's under our gray container, and save it. And I did not touch anything. Then I'm going to just click. Then now here it shows again here. So Cuyahoga County employees, something like this. But I will show you something more interesting. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to clip. I put like this, and I'm going to right click and open. My input feature will be employees, right? And then everything is okay. I will leave as a blank here, employees. Click OK. Then now we don't have any like the cookie cutter, right? So our cookie cutter was here. So you can go here, the connect icon, you click this, then you click here and drag and connect to the here. So it will ask you, is this input feature or clip feature? Then I will say this is clip feature. Then I'm going to click this one and auto layout. It makes it pretty, right? So now both clip shares same cookie cutter, right? So now I'm going to open, check that out, everything is okay. Clip feature, Cuyahoga County, right? Same thing. Then I'm going to right click, add to display, because I want to present on my screen. I click this, add to display, then right click and run. So done. And then it shows you employee Cuyahoga County here. So if I turn on employees, this one, so now you clipped the feature within Cuyahoga County. This is how you can do clip. Okay, I will see you the next video, which is the selected by attribute. Okay.